I realized finding correct online businesses was an issue for most people not long after I launched my first most profitable affiliate marketing sales funnel for someone else. I was working for a small company that did search engine promotion, SEO, and sold website traffic, clicks, to businesses based on their keywords. I have engaged a partner with Anthony program with video tutorials on it, wrote the sales letter to sell it, did all the promotion, and got the sales up to about $1,500 in 2 months. Not long after that, I went out on PWA's second product and started promoting the People Ambassador Club program on how to receive more commissions and increase the income in a very short time. People did great enrolling products and they really enjoyed being in this profitable plan. I realized right traffic was a real problem for any online business because most of the entrepreneurs were telling me they needed right advice to get the working traffic to build their own email list as well as the sales. So I have always shared where to get the working traffic, which was rightly explained in the PWA program, and refer to free traffic sources as well. I guess you could say it went well because most people immediately started making sales promoting the PWA program. Looking back, one member really stands out. He told me that he was absolutely crushing it by doing exactly what the program taught him and making sales online for the very first time. I never set out to be an affiliate marketer. In fact, with one exception 5 years ago, I've never tried online sales for anyone else. I've always been too busy with my daily routine and I never understood how other people are making huge money in affiliate marketing. Along the way I discovered a lot about blueprints and patterns in the online world that almost always get results. I found these patterns and blueprints can especially help people who have no clue about selling to get results, if they'll just stick with the patterns. This is where I found the partner with Anthony program to be powerful. Later I got to know how to get results in the form of clicks, sales, subscribers and profits, and following his step-by-step training. I also realized that somebody needed to teach the average person how to get results without bogging them down with a whole bunch of extra crap they didn't need to know. Finally, I realized the PWA Ambassador Club could be the one to do that. I was meant to be the one who taught normal people how to promote affiliate products without being pushy, manipulative, or sleazy. It is because PWA was the one who has helped the people live their dreams because they literally went from not knowing how to find the right program. Today I am rocking this, and if you want to know more on this program and click the link below.